Hello, my little mathematicians. Today, I'm going to help you get started on C-7 worksheet, the one that looks like this. And this is to help you review your divisibility rules. I'm going to help you get started on the first three, and then you know how to do the rest. So for the very first part, to determine if something is divisible by 2, that means it needs to end in an even number. So I'm just going to focus on the ending numbers right here. And even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, or 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. So it ends in a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So right here, this ends in a 6. It's even, therefore it's divisible by 2. This ends in a 5. Nope, not divisible by 2. Ends in a 4. It's even, divisible by 2. Not even, so not divisible by 2. Even, because it ends in a 0. Not even, because it ends in a 9. So that's how I determine if a number is divisible by 2 or not. So instead of having to waste your time doing long division and then finding out it didn't go in evenly, you can do that little shortcut if you remember the divisibility rule. Now down at the bottom, how you help fill out the riddle is 10 is T. So for 10, I'm going to write a T. For 12, I'm going to put an H. For 3, I'm going to put an E. Okay, let's continue and determine what is the divisibility rule for 3. It's the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So what that means is this number 46 is made up of the individual digits of 4 and 6. And sum means add. So if I add those two digits and 3 can go into that sum, then the whole number itself will be divisible by 3. So 4 plus 6 is 10. Can 3 go into 10? No. Then 3 is not going to be able to go into the number 46, and you don't have to waste your time doing long division. Okay, 5 plus 1, because the individual digits are 5 and 1, is 6. Can 3 go into 6? Yes, it can. So then I could do long division to determine how many times 3 goes into 51, and it wouldn't be a waste of time that I get frustrated. At the end, I find out, oh, it didn't even go in. It will. Okay, this one has 3 digits, so 9 plus 1 plus 3. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. Can 3 go into 13 evenly? No. So it's not going to be able to go into that number. Don't waste your time. 8 plus 3 plus 4. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Can 3 go into 15? Yes, it can. So 3 is going to be able to go into that sum. So you would do long division if you were asked to divide it in, and it would go in evenly. Okay. 7 plus 0 plus 8 plus 5. 7 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. And 15 plus 5 is 20. Can 3 go into 20 evenly? No. So 3 won't go into that number evenly. 4 plus 9 plus 9 plus 2. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13, I'm going to skip it, plus 2 is 15. And 15 plus 9 is what? What's 15 plus 9? It's 24. Okay, and can 3 go into 24? Yes, it can. So then 3 can go into that whole number. Now to write it down at the bottom, 6 is O, 16 is T, 21 is S. Okay, and then finally, the last one I'm going to go over with you before you start it on your own is the divisibility rule for 5. To determine if it's divisible by 5, it ends in a 5 or a 0. So I'm going to look at that last digit again and see if it ends in 5 or 0. Ends in 5, so 5 is going to be able to go in. Doesn't end in 5 or 0. Ends in 0, 5 is going to be able to go in evenly. Ends in 2, nope, 5 can't go in. Ends in 4, nope, 5 can't go in. It ends in 0, so 5 is going to be able to go into that. Okay? So now I have 4 is Y, 18 is H, and 13 is E. You guys are going to continue these 3 in the same manner. And then for number 7, don't forget you have to test it. It has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. So it has to be ending in an even number, and the sum of the digits have to be divisible by 3. If it fills both of those requirements, then it's divisible by both of those numbers. And by the way, If it satisfies both of those requirements, then it's divisible by 6. Just a little tidbit for you. Okay, you now have enough information to finish this on your own. Good luck, my little mathematicians. I know you're going to master it.